We love the rains, but our homes often don't. A small crack on the terrace today leads to a major seepage problem tomorrow. I'm here to tell you that waterproofing doesn't have to be complicated. Meet Sika Raintite, a high-performance, multi-purpose acrylic polymer that acts like a flexible skin for your roof. Sika Raintite is a high-performance waterproofing system designed to prevent water ingress in exposed areas such as roofs, terraces, balconies, and concrete surfaces. Sika Raintite is a UV-resistant acrylic-based coating. Unlike traditional methods, it's cold-applied and forms a seamless, joint-free membrane. It's incredibly flexible, meaning it breathes and moves with your building's temperature changes without cracking. Practically anywhere where water tries to get in. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make Sika Raintite a go-to waterproofing product. Fast application, excellent water resistance, strong adhesion, flexible and crack bridging, weather resistant. Once cured, Sika Raintite creates a durable membrane that resists peeling, cracking, and water penetration, giving you the peace of mind long after application. Sika Raintite is ideal for a wide range of waterproofing applications including flat and slope roofs, terraces and balconies, external concrete surfaces, and repair and maintenance waterproofing. Because it creates a seamless coating, it eliminates weak points where water typically finds a way in, especially around edges and joints. Take Sika Raintite in a clean tub and mix it with cement for waterproofing coat. Mixture ratio required will be 1:2. Keep mixing till it becomes a slurry paste. Applying Sika Raintite is straightforward. First, prepare the surface. Make sure it's clean, dry, and free from dust, grease, or loose material. Next, apply the first coat evenly using a brush, roller, or spray. Allow it to dry as recommended. फिर पूरे कवरेज और लॉन्ग टर्म सुरक्षा के लिए दूसरा परत लगाएं. बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स के लिए सूखने की जगह को समय दें. Sika is a globally trusted brand with decades of experience in construction chemicals. Contractors, engineers, builders all rely on Sika products because they're tested, proven and designed for real world conditions. Raintite हर काम पर भरोसेमंद प्रदर्शन करता है. अगर आप एक जल्द, टिकाऊ और भरोसेमंद वाटरप्रूफिंग सॉल्यूशन ढूंढ रहे हैं तो Sika Raintite आपके हर स्ट्रक्चर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बना है. Don't wait for the first leak to take action. Protect your investment with Sika Raintite. Reliable, durable and easy to apply. Find a Sika dealer near you. Stay dry, stay protected, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video, and check out Sika Raintite for your next waterproofing project. I'll see you there.